When you are coding, the sequence of commands is really important. The computer follows the instructions in the exact order that they are given. The instructions must be in the right order so that the program can run correctly. Imagine telling someone how to make a sandwich and giving them the instruction to butter the bread last. It just wouldn't work. The same rule applies in Scratch. The order of commands is really important so that animation can work. Background a short animation. Let's see what happens. Press the green flag to start. The cat's saying it can see a fish, but I can't see a fish. Now I can see the fish. That doesn't really make sense. Let's have a look at the code. The cat's instructions are telling it to say, "Oh look, a fish, yum," before it does anything else. I wonder if we can change the sequence of the commands so the animation makes a bit more sense and the cat says it once the fish has appeared. The fish also has some instructions. It's been programmed to say, "Please don't eat me," but I didn't see this come up in the animation. I wonder why that is. Can you fix this problem too? Head on over to scratch.mit.edu and see if you can solve these problems.